Project number 4 in no particular, or should we call it D? That way nobody knows for sure.
Yeah. Multiple choice.
This
is the 4th choice.
is, they call it the powder room.
Powder room.
We've never been in there before.
No.
Because there's no floor.
No, there is not. See, you can see where it's collapsed over there by the chimney.
This wall
Is barely hanging
is
on.
being held by those wires. Right up here.
Right. So.
This is the worst area of the house, and we just have not dealt with it at all.
We had some other issues that were.
It's all rotten wood. That used to be a closet.
Yeah. Yeah, it did.
So it's an old lamp.
It's a pretty lamp. Oh.
I think it was too bad for them to get into the area here. So none of these floor joists were any good. We actually had to. We have grating over the holes because the flooring was gone, and we have a piece of plywood on that spot. We've never cleaned up the plaster in here. It's about a foot deep over in the corner.
Things were falling. So.
This is the roof we had to fix when we first started, just to keep it from pouring in.
Right. This was one of the worst areas of the house.
Right. You can see that that used to attach.
Yeah.
The ceiling and the wall used to be together.
Well, and that beam right there shows it too.
That's holding up some brick right there. This is, if the closet was there, we would be looking at the closet. And then this is the stairwell down to the basement.
And let me see if I can close this door.
This was the only original downstairs bathroom. But
we're not sure how to get in there.
We've never been in there either because it's fallen in.
This is very much the danger zone.
We can't even just go downstairs without some fancy maneuvering.
Yeah.
But so this definitely needs done. We don't, but like I said, we don't know what order we're doing this in. We're still trying to make decisions. We just thought we would share some of the process. Now I'm going to go to the basement and show you where it's almost fallen in. So, and this is the basement. This is where we just came down. And look at these beautiful floor joists. This was the floor. Things are falling through. Obviously, if we hadn't put these posts in to kind of shore up the floor joists, this whole place would be falling down. So that's this is definitely coming down one way or another.
Right now we just postponed it.
We haven't figured out exactly where we would start. If we're gonna start at the top or the bottom or ugh.
Yeah.
That's the
Oh wow, I didn't notice that one splitting like that.
yeah. That one's no longer even being supported by one of our temporary supports.
No. That one's just done. It's done. It's absolutely done. But that's underneath that window.
No. That's the window.
No, that in
Oh, that window in the bathroom, in the powder room.
in the powder room that leaks really bad.
So, those are the 4 things we're considering.
That is project number 4.
In no particular order.
No particular order. Along with the powder room, the outside of the wall kind of gives you an idea as well. Option number 4, as you can see, a lot of the mortar is missing. We've got bricks bulging coming out, and if you stand here you can kind of see them bulging out a little bit. But this is the outside of the powder room. This is that little bathroom right here, and the powder room is there. We already took the box gutter off when we did that flat roof up there, and we had to repair a lot of the wood up there, but it just is not in good shape. But this is just an idea from the outside back corner of the house. Just to give you an idea. Here's another up close look at that. That's where the box gutter was. Again, this is an up close look at those bricks, just in such bad shape. The leaning out of the wall right here, you can just see the bricks are just starting to fall. So we have that to deal with. Water. Yes, I know, more water. So that is option